What other things can he be under? Is there something else he could be under? No, try looking somewhere under. Where's somewhere that Kermit could be underneath? Could he be underneath the baby swing? There he is. Good job. Any more time?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another come. I'm not gonna find the puppy.
Oh, I think you will. The puppy is somewhere down here. Go down. Go look down that way.
Yeah, I got hurt.
Good boy.
He's in there. The bathroom.
What?
You are in the bathroom.
Turn the light on. Now look.
Ah, I found it.
You big goose.
Now throw them. Throw them.